Hey guys, what's up? I just want to apologize for the lame quality.
Hey, what's
Pretty
up, man?
much, this is on my old graphics card. I have another graphics card shipping. I got the R9 280. It's a pretty good fit for my build right now.
Yeah,
But
that's
anyways,
fine.
thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more great
So I'm
content.
gonna do
Because we're going to be
some
streaming
sick-ass unboxing
fucking
real quick.
Counter-Strike
I have, like,
a lot. And you
4,
guys are going
5,
to see a
6,
bunch of
7
great stuff.
boxes.
Alright, so see you
Yeah.
guys later.
Wish I could spectate that fun.
Alright.
You should have that option.
Oh yeah? Yeah, that could work. I could see them like implementing something like that. I have two breakout keys, or I need to buy 2. Quantity to purchase. I'm just gonna. Is there like a $15? No, there's a 10. Love it.
Well,
All right.
yeah, I'm pretty broke. I shouldn't. I'm gonna though.
Jesus, something's going for a while here. Oh, P2. No way. No. I just got a butterfly knife. I just got a butterfly knife. I just got a fucking butterfly knife.
You fucking kidding me?
No. First box of the day. First box of the day. Butterfly knife. I just started recording too. Oh my god, is it factory? It's field tested. Butterfly knife, blue steel, field tested. Holy.
$200, isn't there something?
Oh, I just started recording too. I was like, oh, I better record a fucking unboxing. No. Oh my god. I was like, man, I got like 12 frames like the whole time that was going. I was like, what the hell is going on? It was Gaben praising me for spending almost $30,000 on this fucking game. Oh, you want to trade? You want to see it?
I just want to see it.
Yeah, click inspect.
I won't even click trade.
Oh, I know how to trade Steam, you fucking idiots. Step 2. All right, yeah, click inspect.
Holy fuck, man.
Yeah? Should I replace my should I place the first knife I ever got, the blade of grass? I think I
Yeah, well, can you sell it? How much is, I'm gonna look on Marketplace. How much can you
yeah,
sell
I
it?
don't know. How much is this worth even? I just clicked sell on Marketplace and it's telling me it was last sold for
$250?
God, dude, my hands are fucking shaking. Oh my god. 235. Oh, Jesus shit.
Oh my god, dude.
That was, oh dude, I gotta get up.